All right, SPY today is down slightly. Okay, it was gapping up, but came down thanks to bonds. Bonds basically yields went up. This is the reason why market pulled back slightly on a low volume. Okay, it is nothing crazy. We have been chopping up, melting up in a relatively low volume, but today very low volume again, 60 million. But what I'm watching, so I will be doing these videos maybe daily, depends how market acts. If we are staying volatile, I'll be releasing daily updates. But here's what I'm watching for SPY. So today's low going into tomorrow, support. If we do slip below, I'm going to be watching 519.50, another support. Right here, right now, we're sitting right above 5-day SMA, which is 521.50. So if we slip below, we'll be watching 20-day as a support, which is 516. If we take a look at overall, like market today, like what held up market? Well, Google, Meta, Broadcom, chip makers, Microsoft helped, and of course energy as well. But everything else, like 300 plus names in S&P 500 were down, while only 100 and something names were holding up the market, thanks to market cap again. Since SPY market cap weighted, that's what happened. Okay, well, right here, right now, you can watch whatever you want, TLT, anything, any treasury, whatever you watch, whatever, 10-year, 30-year, 2-year, 5-year. If yields rise, you can see TLT at the support. If it slips below, that means 20-year yields will be going higher. And today, 2% move, that's a big move for TLT, okay, intraday. You can keep an eye on whatever you want, like TNX. This is 10-year treasury, so which is yielding right now 4.32. Okay, it is at the resistance as well. So if we're gonna see bonds move, I mean, it will hit the equity market for sure. That's something I'm keeping an eye on. Another thing to keep an eye on, if you're an intraday trader, put to call ratio for SPX. It's been staying high, and you can see anytime like 1.4, 1.5 put to call ratio, it is very high. That means people are positioning to the puts. But VIX is staying low, right? Today VIX is up 5%, but in general, throughout this time when people were positioning to buy puts, which is extremely cheap actually, to buy puts very cheap right now, maybe historically lowish levels, maybe that's where it's trading, but VIX at lows as well. That's makes sense. That's where usually funds and like smart money buys their hedges, when it's cheap. So 5% jump in VIX, basically VIX is your put to call ratio. Okay, if longer dated put demand higher, this will shoot up. Okay, the more people buy option puts, VIX shoots high, in simple terms. Okay, it could be a little bit more complex than that, but that's what it is. Another thing, QQQ, I don't keep an eye as much on this one, chopping around, doing nothing, thanks to, again, Microsoft, Google holding up better, so it didn't do as much. Okay, it was slightly positive for the day, but indecision candle. IWM, well, makes sense that it's pulling back because it doesn't like higher yields. Okay, and there's no reason for it to push higher if the yields moving intraday such big. Okay, so that's ultra short term, what I'm watching, and these are the levels that I'm watching for SPY. If you want to see more of these daily quick updates about SPY, please comment below, join Discord and Patreon. Thanks for watching.